Welcome to AE Farm Tech. In today's video, I will show a tree I have in my farm. So these three have Soursop and Custard Apple grafted on this one tree. So you already know that Soursop and Custard Apple belong to a species known as Annona. And in Annona, all the varieties of Annona tree that are related can be grafted onto each other's rootstock. So these three I grafted Custard Apple and a Soursop on a single tree. So they are growing together and they are growing fine. So as you can see on this video, you can see the section I grafted Custard Apple is growing perfectly fine and is already producing flowers, and it has some couple of Custard Apple fruits on it. So here, look at the flowers, and you see it's producing a lot of flowers on the tree. So this branch, the branch that I grafted the Custard Apple, is producing flowers already and is doing perfectly well. So over to this branch, this is where I grafted the Soursop. So you can see also the Soursop is growing perfectly well and is doing great. So also on the section of the branch that I grafted Soursop, it's already started producing flowers, as you can see. So this is the flower of the Soursop. This is another flower that this flower is already big and is getting to maturity and is to soon be pollinated, and you get a Soursop fruit. So this is the section, the Soursop area. Now down here, I want to show you the section where the grafts was made. So this is where the Custard Apple tree was grafted, and this other part here that I'm touching is where the Soursop is grafted onto this particular tree, and it's been growing here on the tree. So this tree have been grafted and planted, and this tree is over 2.5 years old. You can see the plant, the tree is growing perfectly fine, and this is how you can combine two different variety or two different species of Annonas. So as you see in this video, this is Custard Apple and Soursop on a single tree, and it's growing perfectly well. So this is how you also do a multiple graft tree. You can also combine different Annona species. You can graft Custard Apple, Soursop, Soursop, Atemoya, Cherimoya, and other varieties of Annonas on a single tree, and they will grow perfectly fine because they are all related to one species known as Annonas. Thank you so much for watching this video. Follow this channel for more exciting videos coming up.